How to fix WhatsApp connection issues. So first is to ensure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or data connection and you have a stable cell signal. Since if not, then this could be the reason why you are having connection issues. But if you have ensured that this is not the issue, what you can do is to head over to the Settings application, scroll down until you find Apps. Use the search icon found on the upper right corner to search for WhatsApp. Scroll down and select Storage, and then tap Clear Data. So before you proceed, make sure that you remember all of your login credentials, as this is needed when you open the application. Then tap Delete. Now go back and select Storage, and make sure that you have enabled the Allow Background Data Usage setting by tapping the toggle button beside it. However, if this did not solve the problem, then you can go to the Play Store application and search for WhatsApp. So if there is an update option available, tap this button so the application can start updating. So by updating, you will have the latest version of the application. After updating, open the application and see if the issue has been resolved. And so those are the ways on how you can fix WhatsApp connection issues. Thank you and have a great day.